Back in the lobby in a giant mink. Cobra heart mink. It's not a jacket, it's a screaming so. People think I was just seeing what a player say. I thought so. In the Rolls Royce city levels, got them on tiptoe. I'm from the...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. Got a special one for you guys today. We are going for some mini mayhem. We are on the mini bikes. We are leaving from Greenville, South Carolina. Represent. We're gonna head up and meet a couple boys. We got a group from Spartanburg. We got a group from Woodruff. We're gonna meet over there, man. We're gonna just go have some fun. I think we've got an hour or so to kill, so we're gonna bop around here and see what we can get into. So thanks for joining, tuning in. It's gonna be a good one. All right, guys, pulling into a first little stop here. Get some sweet photos. A little photo op. It's pretty sweet. Oh yeah. We're rolling, guys. About to hit this little back road. We got about got my turn signal on. Got about another 20 minutes or so. This should be a pretty fun little ride here. A little turvy, a little, oh shit. I'm all over the road, guys. Guys, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. We do all sorts of things. We do builds, we do rides, get in a little bit of stunt action, ride some Harleys, etc. So we just like to get out and enjoy it, man. We got a 70 plus day. Finally get out and do some riding. We're meeting this big group, like I said. We should get a pretty big group together. Should be good.
not about the moolah moolah. She can get the spot hot like you need a cooler. Senorita Mona Lisa, little hula hooper. Hula hooper. Do the hula hoop, girl, do the hula hoop.
Hey, bruh, crank it up. Man, I got nobody. I don't know about that, but you know how we do right here. Better let me say tonight. I done fucked up. Brother got me hacked up. Baby, you're a lucky that she got a lot of match. Baby girl is hacked up. Baby, you gon' keep it in a peanut. We don't trust. I'm a motherfucking mud point late. So don't know one thing about me. No, I got my boots. I'm a motherfucking baller. I won't leave with you. I'm the pull off on that shawty. She just ran my finger. I'ma work with it. I'ma step the beat. Bitch, I start to talk to you. Can't. I don't get no fuck. I don't play bigger fuck with something. Beach. I cut a baby with your dick. And I'm with the bus a beach. Bigger. What the fuck you just said? Bitch, you just wanna ball with it. I'm a bad. I'ma whip the beach. If I crash out, you gon' have to cut a law from me. Send the place out. You gon' come back to the dance. So roll his ass up on that ball. Whip on down zone. Now they yelling to my world for a dance on. Now they yelling to my world for a lean zone. Thinking with over king. I'm a dance on, dance on, dance on, dance on, dance on, dance on. I'm a yellow dream of mud. Yeah. Late, so don't know one thing about me. No, I got my boots. I'm a yellow dreamer baller. I won't leave with you. I'ma pull off on that shawty. She just ran my finger. I'm a yellow dreamer rock, I'm a yellow dreamer dirt, baby, I will not duck. I'm a bust to make it that you know the break, I'm with a shot. Deep press, listen up, let the seller with my partner, Mr. Got a whole lot. I'm a mud point, lean, so